guys, it's Sydney. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the ZOTOS Professional All About Curls. So obviously this looks a lot like Diva Curl. I did go to size and pick this up. It was $9.99 and I think with tax it was like $10.40 something. So I was like, you know what, let me give it a try because I know Diva Curl can be, pricey. So they have a no lather cleanser, a daily cream conditioner, a bouncy cream, and a high definition gel. I did look at some of the ingredients. Diva Curl seems to have a little bit more protein than this line. Diva Curl is definitely more at the top of the list than this one. Is kind of lower down, so this would have a lower protein than that. So it's sulfate, paraben, silicone free, and I used the conditioner today because I did do a pre-poo with oil, so I wanted to clarify my hair, get that all out. And then I did go in with the conditioner right here, and it kind of smells like this cream called Bouncy Cream, and I used to use that like when I was like 12, and I was like, Sarah, look, I know what it smells like. It smells like that Bouncy Cream. It's kind of a floral scent, but I'm very interested in to see how these work and how they compare to Diva Curl. Now this is only 1.7 fluid ounces, so if you have a lot of hair, you might need like 5 of these, but they do have, bigger sizes that are $10 each, but I was like, this is $10 for literally 4 things, so I rather like try it out than get a big, the big size and it not work good. So I've already washed my hair. It's like soaking wet, dripping all over my shirt, but that's okay. I'm gonna go in and detangle. Go in with the Bouncy Cream. It says to apply to wet curls for extra shaping, apply to individual dry curls. So that's interesting. So I wonder if you can go back and it can define them more. So I'm going in much. This one has a different smell than the conditioner, but it really feels like the styling cream from Diva Curl. But you can see it's pretty a good consistency. Has really nice slip. It feels super moisturizing, so that's good. So now I'm gonna go in with the high definition gel, crunchless ultra hold. Apply to wet curls, scrunch upward, air dry or diffuse. Once dry, scrunch to soften. So it must have a cast when it dries. Let's see. Interesting. Okay. I would say it's a little bit more jelly-like than Diva Curl. Now it mixes with the cream because there was still a little bit of cream. It smells florally, so we're gonna take that in. It feels super light though, so I'm just gonna continue that throughout my hair, and I will be back when it's all applied. I might go in with a tiny bit more gel because I feel like it's not very strong, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. So here's my hair after it's all applied. So I will be back when it's done drying. Hey guys, so I'm back. So it is the morning because I'm about to go to work, and I was like, let me go ahead and get this done. So Sorry if I look tired, but here are the results. So I did end up refreshing this morning because when I woke up, my hair had no hold, okay? So I think you can see, like, if you all know how my results usually come out, pretty defined, like no frizz. Up here is frizzy. I am so lost. I put a lot more gel in my hair this morning. If you've seen how I refresh, then that's what I did this morning. And what is going on? High definition gel. Where? Y'all, I'm gonna have to stick with Diva Curl, honestly. Because I am not impressed at all. Like, I thought there was gonna be a cast. There's no cast when I was diffusing. I've watched some other reviews and people got great results, but my hair is more medium to coarse texture, so I don't know if that gel was just not doing it for me. My Diva Curl even draws with the cast, so I'm gonna have to pass on these, honestly. I'm not even gonna sit here and lie to y'all because I know y'all can see, like, it is not, I don't know what's going on. I wanted to go ahead and get this video done this morning. That way I can do something else and it actually look good. But it's the worst when, you know, we do a video for our hair just not to come out good because, you know, it's not awful, but it's not what I was hoping for. After watching Kelly's video and a few others, their results came out really good, but this is just too soft. Like, it has no hold. I feel like at the end of the day, my hair is gonna be out here. Like, I mean, and that's a good, I mean, so like for volume, yes, like I haven't even fluffed. So I have more volume, and I don't have to sit here and like shake it out. But as far as definition, there's really none. So I might give these another go round in a few weeks. Maybe since it's the first day of fall, my hair is just not with it. But I think you can see the frizz, and let's look. Wow. Now I did like the conditioner. The conditioner gave me a good slip, but as far as the styling, I'm glad I got the mini kit. That's all I'm gonna say. And I'm not, you know, it may work for you, may not. This is my opinion, so don't go, well, it didn't work on Sydney's hair, so I'm not gonna get it. But you know, that's what reviews are for. So watch some other reviews too, but this is my opinion, and I think y'all usually know how my hair comes out. So, well, that's all I'm gonna review. I would probably give these a 3 out of 10. I would like to try them again though. Maybe I need to apply more, but I feel like I apply a generous amount every time I do my hair. I feel like I apply the same amount I usually apply. And that's another thing. I feel I had to use way more than using Diva Curl. So even though it's $10, you have to use more of it because I guess it's not as concentrated as Diva Curl, meaning that the ingredients are further up in the list. So when I use Diva Curl, like I did the Wave Maker and Ultra Gel the other day, I had a cast. It lasted 6 days. This is probably not even gonna last to the end of the day. So that's why sometimes when there's something more expensive, I'm like, I don't really care because you can use less of it. This, I feel like I could go wet my hair in the sink, redo it, and it would look like this again. Like, it would not, you know what I'm saying? Like, usually refreshing reactivates the product. No, I feel like I basically redid my hair and it still did not. So that's how I'm gonna wear my hair today. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I don't want to be negative, but I wanted to get this out there for y'all because a lot of you have been asking, like, can you do all about curls? I heard it's a dupe for Diva Curl. Might as well, so I may do another video on it. But yeah, so let me know if you tried this. Let me know what you think. I've known some people get a cast. That did not work on me. And I used a ton of the gel. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what else you want to see, any other reviews, anything like that. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.